umuulan-ulan, konti lang, ne? Buti nga, hindi sinasabay. Extra sa akin. Yung ulan pa naman yung galing dun sa harapan, yung hangin.
It's nighttime and I overused the phone. The last video I said was kind of crazy. That's why I overused the phone. That's why I'm exercising.
Forget or I forgot. I forget?
My own wallet.
Good night ka, Daddy.
Good night.
Disgusting naman tuligay yung sagot niya. Lakas pang bigay. Lakas pang lalaki yung bigay.
Oh,
Yan.
beautiful.
Sabi niya, stay for a while daw dito. Tulog na kami.
Hindi ba kayo natutulog, babe?